Hey, what's going on? So it is Friday, December 16th, 2022. It's 2:38 in the morning, and it looks like I got my first plowable snow here. Not a ton of snow out there. We're supposed to get about, what are they saying, 8 to 12 inches over the course of a couple days. So I'm gonna go out and clean this up. Just try out my new truck and my new plow tonight, so looking forward to that. And get to try out my new mount that I've got here for the truck. I used to have a ladder rack and I mounted the camera to the rack, and I don't have a ladder rack on this truck, so I got this thing that's called a snap mount, and it uses magnets to hopefully mount to the roof of the truck, and hopefully it'll stay there and I don't lose my camera. So we're gonna find out. Here we go. All right, so I just got the truck all cleared off, about to head out. It's actually freaking raining, so this is gonna be interesting. The snow is really wet and heavy, and it's raining, so it's gonna be super waterlogged. It's only a couple inches, but it's just gonna be a mess. I already know it. And then if the temperatures drop, I haven't really looked at the weather, then it'll all freeze and it'll be a sheet of ice and everything will just be a pain. So this is, we'll see how this goes. All right, so I've been out for a little over an hour and I've got a dozen driveways done. So making good progress tonight. It's not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. It's pretty wet and heavy, but because there's only like 2 inches, 3 inches or something like that, it's not too hard to move. As you can see, probably the piles are pretty big, even though there's not a lot of snow because it's so dense, it's not like squishing down like if it was powder or something like that. So anyway, let's keep going. All right, so it's been just over another hour, so I'm about a little over 2 hours in. I just did another 8 driveways. This is more spread out and the driveways are bigger, so these ones are taking a lot longer than the ones that are in the village, but I'm heading back into the village to do a couple more and then heading back out the other side of the village. All right, I basically just hit the 3-hour mark and I just did 7 more driveways. So yeah, again, those first driveways are faster for me than these ones. They take a little longer. And now I gotta drive like a couple miles out of town to do 1 driveway. I used to have 3 out there and I lost the other 2, so kind of bummed that I gotta do this, but let's go get that one. Alright, so I just hit the 3-hour mark. I forgot to record the last couple of driveways. Oh well. Sun's starting to come up. It's almost daylight here. It is starting to snow again, pretty good. And I've got 2 driveways left, and then I've got 2 commercial properties to do. So let's bang these out. All right, so all my batteries died and I didn't finish the rest of the recording, but I got home at 10 a.m., a little after 10. So it took me about 7 hours to do everything, and this snow is really wet and heavy, so it probably would have taken me a lot less than that if it wasn't this type of snow. So I just came home, took a nap, charged up a couple batteries, and I'm heading back out again. I'm not gonna bother recording this time around because I just recorded all of this, but yeah, so now I know. It takes me 7 hours to do my route in a bad storm, which is good because it used to take me 7 hours on a good storm. I've got about 10 less driveways this year. So anyway, I guess that's it. Thanks for watching. I'm tired. I'm heading back out again, got some fresh coffee, and we got about 3 inches of snow while I was home just to take a break. I've been home for maybe 2 hours, and we got 3 inches of snow. So anyway, I'm gonna get back to plowing and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.